One of the reasons you clicked on this video is for sure the thumbnail. And you know how the thumbnail for YouTube is important. Today I want to show you this interesting tool. It's called thumbs.ai. This is my review, and obviously if you want you can find the link in the description, because this tool is made for one reason: to increase your click-through rate on YouTube by creating very cool and engaging thumbnails with AI. It's a very simple tool, but I think you will find it really useful. You can try it for free, but obviously they have different paid plans, the premium one, the ultimate and the master. They have different monthly limits, or if you want, you can get a 30% off by paying yearly. But first of all, again, you can find the link in the description and you can try it out for free, just to see if you like it. And here it is, this is the dashboard for thumbs.ai. I will show you the main features here, the ones that are available, because here, as you can see, they will add very soon some new tools like Analyze or templates or AI tools. These are all coming. At the moment you can create the thumbnails, text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. You can recreate thumbs. You can download thumbnails from YouTube. Here you can choose different styles for your thumbnails. The My Style will come very soon. This is another feature that will be added. And here you get My Face and Emotion. This is interesting if you want to use your face in different expressions by just uploading your image once. And then you will use AI to generate different expressions with your face. Okay, just to show you how it works, I uploaded a pretty normal image here, and then I need to choose an emotion here, for example, shocked or hype or angry. I can also use this use prompt to create. This is useful if you want to obtain something really specific. Let's go with this shocked one for this example. This will use 2 credits and I just need to click on generate. Okay, this is my face with a shocked emotion. I will say pretty good. This is obviously me, and it's really me. I tried other tools that change emotion, and I will say the result is pretty good here. If you want, you can also download this image, you can regenerate, you can edit or delete it, obviously. You also get an how to use tutorial here if you want to get better images, better emotions. Let's try a different one. Let's try the surprised one and generate. Again, pretty good. This is another image. I can click on this image and see it bigger if I want. And this will be your collection of your emotions. You can even search by name or by emotion once you get many images here. Now let's go to this create thumbs section, because it's the main one if you want to generate thumbnails. As you can see, you have 2 different ways: text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. Let's say I want to generate a thumbnail for this same video. Okay, this is my really simple prompt. A surprised creator, very happy to be able to generate YouTube thumbnails with AI in just one click. Why this simple prompt? Because I want to try to use this enhance feature. This will make the prompt better. Then you can obviously choose if you like it or not, but let's try to enhance it. And here it is, a pretty long prompt, I will say, but very detailed. And this gives you an idea to generate the thumbnails. If you like the idea you get with this enhance button, you can go on, or you can obviously change it or edit it. Here is where you can choose if you want to use your face or not, a new emotion or one of the emotions you already made before. Let's try to use this one. If you want, you can also choose a reference or clone a style. This is optional. Let's try not to use this feature at the moment. And these are the advanced parameters, the aspect ratio, YouTube obviously, 16:9, and you can choose how many variations you want. These will use 2 credits per image. Let's choose 2 for the sake of this example, and let's try to generate this thumbnail. Okay, these are my 2 variations for this image. It's also analyzing the score of these thumbnails. This is 72, it's good. Here it's analyzing. Let's make them bigger so we can take a look. Good image. This is pretty much me with this expression. And the fun fact is here you can see other images that looks like me in some of these thumbnails, and even some of the most famous creators, I should say. This is the second variation. This gets 83 as a score, so it's considered better, and yes, I will say it's better this part. Even here, pretty good the quality, pretty good the expression, the emotion. I don't have any text here because in my prompt there was no text. If I click on this button, I can go again here and repeat the process, or maybe edit this image. Let's try another different prompt. Always for this video, a creator really excited after reviewing thumbs.ai, a new tool that generates engaging YouTube thumbnails. The image must have at maximum 3 words of text and be focused on the topic. Let's try to enhance even this one. Okay, perfect. And in my enhanced prompt, I still have this text here, trying thumbs AI, and it's respecting my max 3 words in this case. I will change it with something like YouTube cheat code. For instance, I can now add my face. Let's try to use the other one, and again 2 variations here, and generate thumbnail. Okay, these are my 2 new variations, and as you can see, the text it's pretty good in both these images. The quality is very high, so not bad at all. I generated other 2 with a different and really detailed prompt, and I pretty like this one. As you can see, it's also the highest in the rating, it's 88. I think this is pretty good, so I think I will use this image, this thumbnail for my video. Now I want to try the other option, it's the image to thumbnail, so I can drag and drop an image or upload an image, enter a prompt, and I will get my thumbnail. I want to test if I can also edit this image by adding a text here, for instance. So pretty simple prompt here. I like the original image, I just would like to add the text YouTube cheat code. So let's see if it also works like this. I will not add a face, I will not use a style, I will choose YouTube and just 1 variation for the sake of this example. And here it is. So I used the original image and I added this text for this example, so you can upload any kind of image and use it as your reference to create. One other thing I want to show you is this choose reference clone style. So in this case I will use one of these example images. I will enhance this prompt. Okay, this is my enhanced prompt. As you can see, it says replace the main subject, so I think it will take this as reference but change something. And now I will not add any face, I will use this option here. You can choose between different styles, but this will only change really the style of your image. You can also click on this create button and you can upload thumbnails, or you can link a YouTube channel if you want to clone a channel style or a specific video style. Let's say I want to use this style for thumbnails. Let's try to use this channel link to try out this feature. I choose YouTube channel link, paste my link and continue. And as you can see, I have some references here. You can choose one of more of these and analyze. As you can see, it's analyzing, capturing signatures, colors and so on. So this is my cloned style. I can save and use, and here it is in my list now. So let's try to generate these other two thumbnails. Okay, so this is the subject of the original image, slightly different in the pose, and the text and the style. Here is a different one with a man instead of a girl, but the same gym, the same text and the same style. So this is how thumbs.ai work. Pretty good, I will say. You just need to prepare your prompts, be very specific in the prompts or in the style, and you will get pretty good YouTube thumbnails here. Let's take a look again at the pricing page here for thumbs.ai. You can find the link in the description. You can choose to pay monthly if you just want to try it out. You can even start for free, but 1 month it's $19. You get 100 monthly credits, so you can generate up to 50 thumbnails, and then if you need more, you have other plans. If you pay yearly, you can save 30%. And that's it for my review of thumbs.ai. I hope you enjoyed it and you like it. Leave a comment below, click the like button, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.